Welcome back. Trying out a new layout situation here. I don't know how I feel about all this dead space, but it's not really dead. It's flag, logo, all that. But welcome. All right, so got a box, got a package. You already know, doing an unboxing. I keep wanting to use this knife and they make it so easy for me. Okay, so let's see here. These people have been trying to like steal my packages. Well, not steal my packages. Ooh, damn. This box, oh, that's why they sent it. It was not in a discreet packaging. So y'all seen that video that I did with the black wand. Unfortunately, we are laying that wand to rest because it is no longer taking charge. It is no longer holding the charge. So like, turn it on, you got a good little 2 minutes, and then it's like, no bueno, not gonna work for me. So I decided it's time for another one. Now that is the second one that I have. I don't know if I did unboxing for both of them, the first one and the second one, but this is the second one. I replaced it. Same problem. Okay, obviously I use this too much or something, poor mechanism, whatever it is. Now I have a handheld, what is it? Total body massager. Handheld total body massager. I love how they put these images on there so you can see that it is a body massager. It's a massager from Brookstone. Get to use my knife. So let's see what we're working with here. And hopefully, you know, this doesn't, it don't give out on me. After, I don't even know how long it's been since I had that one though, honestly. Who knows? Maybe it did what it was supposed to. Power cord. Maybe it did what it was supposed to do, and that was it. It's a cute little bag. Okay. I don't know why. This reminds me of like my flat iron bag. The way this bag is, they could have gave a better, sturdier bag than this. Just a little. Ooh. I did not expect it to be this long, but it's also black. I didn't realize that it was also black. I am going to plug this in because our handy dandy corner here comes equipped with outlets. So we are going to plug this baby in and take it for a whirl. On the plus side, we don't have to worry about charging and waiting for it to be fully charged. I don't believe. Did this come with instructions? 10 pulse setting. Silicone. Okay. Oh, okay. This little head is so soft. Full body massage area. With carrying case. 10 pulse settings. Did I say plus? Illiteracy. Good choice to relax and relieve muscular tension, reduce stress, which feel more comfortable. Can use all over body, convenient, including back, arm, neck, thigh, shank. Which body part named shank, etc. Okay, so let's plug this baby in and see what happens. I already love this desk because I have all of this space to put stuff off camera while I'm doing my unboxing. Okay, so stretch out the cable. My lighting professor would have been very upset that I didn't extend it all the way out because that could be a hazard. And we got a power button here. And you just press it and the power comes on, and then I guess you press it next. Ooh. I know y'all hear it. I don't even need to do this. Okay, so we're just gonna go through the motions. Of course, they love this one. A vehicle? Here it's a rev up. No, I didn't even count. It's supposed to be 10. Oh, so I guess that was all of them. I talked too soon. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, yeah, a 10, yes. Okay, comment down below. Let me know which vibration speed you guys will be using. But oh, okay, so I did see that you can remove this part here. I don't know how I feel about this inside. It's like foam. It's like foam in there, but then this outside part is silicone. But it's waterproof, and this is just the portion that carries the, you know, the motion in the ocean. Yeah, the head moves, you know, it does full 360 range. It's firm, it's not easily what you call it. Yeah, it seems like it might do something. Let me plug this out. The cord length, we got a little, it's, let me hold from the end of that to, yes, it's longer than my arm stretch because I still got a little bit rolled up here. It's not stretched all the way. So it's, I mean, again, plus side, you don't have to wait for it to charge up. You don't have to, yeah, you don't have to wait for it to fully charge. You don't have to worry about it dying. Now if the power goes out, you're shit out of luck. But that's some pluses. It comes with a little pink bag. The only thing is though, you have to be near a wall outlet, or at least, how many feet was that? This was probably about 6 feet. No, not 6 feet. It's about 4 or 5 feet from a, I just eyeballed that. I am my father's child. About 4 or 5 feet from, damn, my wingspan. 4 or 5 feet from an outlet. Of course, there are extension cords if you're into that kind of thing, if you need to travel. Thankfully, my bedroom has numerous wall plugs, wall outlets, and there's one right next to my bedside. So should be fine with locations and things with this. So yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Yeah. That's it. Hopefully you last me a really long time. I'm manifesting, speaking this into existence. We are under a full moon currently. The moon will be full in a few minutes, in an hour, I think, actually, Eastern time. I am hoping, you know, I don't have to replace you. This is a lot though. Like, this is a lot. I didn't expect it to be that lengthy, you know. Did not expect this much to come with it. But we're going to see how this works, and if you see me posting another video ordering a different wand, obviously this didn't work, but until then we should be fine. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel where you're most likely watching this. Make sure you check out the podcast, which is the reason I even have this YouTube channel. Make sure you check out the unmoldings. You know, I make things, I craft. I make some ashtrays, rolling trays, incense holders, cups for your car. They are chalk. But yeah, check it out. And just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this pointless unboxing.